What's the meaning of Bailey Bridge? Bailey Bridge. Bailey Bridge.
Bailey Bridge. Bailey Bridge. A Bailey bridge is a type of portable, prefabricated truss bridge originally designed by the British during World War II for military use. It was named after Donald Bailey, the civil servant who oversaw its development and production. The bridge consists of individual prefabricated panels which, when assembled, create a strong and flexible bridge suitable for use in a variety of terrain and conditions. Bailey bridges have been widely used in military conflicts, natural disasters, and as temporary structures for civilian infrastructure maintenance or replacement projects. Today, they remain a useful and cost-effective solution for bridging gaps in infrastructure around the world.